Okay. Follow directions. So I'm going to tell you right now, follow directions. You got a white piece of paper and a pencil. Okay. Pencil right here. Ignore my broken finger. It's a long story. So I'm going to draw a straight line, top of the paper, draw a straight line. Now the camera is going to make it look curved, but I drew a pretty straight line. All right. That's the first thing I want you to do. Draw a straight line. Okay. Then I want you to draw a line going down on the right, about 3 inches long, going down on the left, about 3 inches long. Okay, then approximately halfway, we're going to draw another line, just like that. Now this line's pretty long, but it's shorter than these two. Okay, there's a pattern developing here. We're going to have a pattern. Life works in predictable patterns, and when you know the pattern, then you can predict what comes next, right? So we took a space, we cut it in half, right? We took a space and we cut it in half. Now we're going to keep that same pattern. We're going to take these two spaces and we're going to cut them in half. But what you need to notice is when we cut this space in half, the line became a little bit shorter, not a ton shorter, just a little bit. Okay. So now we're going to take this space and we're going to cut it in half with a line that's a little bit shorter. This one is going to be related to this one, so we're going to make it about the same length. Okay, this line, that line, same length. All right, approximately. Remember, we're doing this freehand. Don't judge me. Okay, now we took the big space, we cut it in half. We took those two spaces, we cut them in half. There is a pattern developing. So now we're going to cut those spaces in half. We're going to cut these spaces in half that are about the same size with a line that's the same length approximately. Okay. Now, if you've done this before, you know the pattern that's developed. Okay. One more. Big space, cut in half. Two spaces, cut those in half. Now we're going to take those spaces and we're going to cut them in half. Okay. Now, here is your task. Write your name up here at the top. This is a 0. This is a 3/4. And I'll give you one more. This is 5/16. You fill in the rest. You fill in the rest.